Hey guys, Michael from COPPERVSGLASS, and when Master Dynamic contacted me to check out their headphones, I wasn't really too sure what to expect, but I did know that the price tag was rather large. So I recorded myself going to the post office, picking up the package, because I was actually really excited to try out these headphones, as I've never tried anything in this price range. Now once I got in my Uber and then I got myself home, I was absolutely blown away. Now I've always said you can tell how premium a product is with the packaging that it comes in, and Master Dynamic have done a really awesome job with these headphones. The first thing that you're going to be granted with is the headphones themselves, and then secondly, the world's most premium Pringles tube. But inside there, you're going to get all the accessories that you need to actually use the headphones, so a charging cable and also a 3.5mm headphone jack. Next up then, in terms of the box, you are going to get another section just underneath here, and this is going to house the booklet which gives you all the information for actually using the headphones, and I would definitely give it a read, as you can use Bluetooth or you can use a 3.5mm headphone jack. Last thing that you're going to get then is the actual carrying pouch itself. Now it is a little bit disappointing that it's not a hard shell case, but it holds together with magnets, and there is also a pouch to hold all of your accessories, but again it is just a soft pouch, so you're not really going to get any drop protection with this, but it is going to give you certain protection against scratches and bumps. Something that I was surprised by is the fact that the charging cable is standard USB to USB Type-C, which I haven't really seen before with Bluetooth headphones. They've always been micro USB. It's also a really nice braided cable, the cable tie as well, so it's going to be really durable and it's going to last a long time with some Master Dynamic branding on the side there, as you can see. So in general, the cable itself gives me really high hopes for the design of the headphones. Next up then, you are going to get the 3.5mm headphone jack. Again, it's made of the same braided material as the actual charger itself, and it's got some Master Dynamic branding on there as well. And again, this is a really premium quality cable, but you don't always need to use it, as these headphones are Bluetooth, but if you do want to plug it into something with a 3.5mm headphone jack, then you've got the option to do so. So now onto the actual headphones themselves, and I'm going to get this out of the way straight away. These headphones are quite pricey. If you're in the UK, you're going to pay around £399, and if you're in the US, you're looking at around $449. So in terms of the price tag, they are definitely premium headphones, but in terms of the material that it's made of, the quality, and just in general how the headphones feel, I would say that they're based on that price tag alone for the design. In terms of the materials that you're working with here, you've got premium grain cowhide leather, lambskin leather, stainless steel, and also aluminium. So in terms of the headphones, they're going to be extremely durable, and as you can see here, they are also adjustable as well. So if you do have a rather large head, like I do for example, then you're not going to have any issue at all with the fit and finish of these headphones. The ear cups themselves are also really comfortable as well, and just in general, they've got a really nice weight and heft to them that definitely comes across with that premium price tag. Now the headphones themselves are made up of two 40mm drivers, so in terms of the actual headphones, they're not the biggest headphones in the world, and they're kind of on ear, although when you do put them on, your ear does kind of sink into the ear cup itself, so it's a really comfortable fit. Now because they're not over ear, you are going to get a little bit of sound leakage, so again, if you are listening to these in a really busy environment, on a commute on a train for example, you definitely want to turn down the volume ever so slightly. And just in general, I would keep the volume down ever so slightly. On my MacBook, I've only been using them at around 25%, and even then they are extremely loud, so I can't imagine what they'd be any higher than that. On a smartphone, you're not really going to have that problem, as for some reason the sound quality is ever so slightly different. So if you put them to 100% on your smartphone, yes, it's going to be loud, but it's not going to be overbearing in any way. Now, I was very skeptical going into this review, as I've never tried headphones this expensive, and I didn't really know if I could tell the difference between these headphones and a pair that cost maybe around £60 or £70. But I was absolutely blown away by the soundstage of these headphones. The bass is extremely nice and not overpowering in any way. The treble, the mids, everything sounds really crisp, and I'm hearing things in songs that I didn't necessarily hear beforehand in the background, maybe with the echo of a singer or a tambourine in the background that I couldn't really hear beforehand, or I couldn't necessarily make out. You can hear everything with these headphones. Now that also makes them quite good for audio monitoring, so I'm actually using these headphones to record this video right now, and I'm getting some really nice feedback and some really nice audio quality that I can tell is exactly how you guys are going to hear it once the video is published. But the main question for me is, are these headphones actually worth it at the price tag that they're asking for? As I mentioned, in the UK you're looking at around £399, and in the US you're looking at $449. Now for me, comparing them to previous headphones that I've tried, I would say that they are definitely worth the money. Not just for the sound quality, but in terms of the build quality, you can't go wrong with these headphones. They're extremely durable, they look really awesome, they kind of remind me of some old 50s style headphones, maybe like a design of a jukebox for example. So in that respect, they're really retro and I really do enjoy the design, but the main thing for me is the sound quality, and at the moment, these are the headphones to beat. Now again, I haven't tried any other headphones like Beats for example, which I know a lot of people go on about at a similar sort of price tag, but in my opinion, I'd rather pay the money for these, especially with the sound quality and design, over something like the plastic Beats that you can get direct from somewhere like the Apple Store. But as always guys, I want to hear from you in the comments section or on Twitter at COPPERVSGLASS, whether you've used any premium headphones yourself or you do own a pair, and just in general if you think they are worth the extra cost or not, and I'd like to also know exactly what you use them for on a day-to-day basis. If you guys did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and as I mentioned, if you've got any questions, comments or anything that you want to chat about, hit me up in the comments section down below. For more content like this in the future, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Michael from COPPERVSGLASS, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget guys, if you want to be one of the first people to see this video or future videos, then be sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video.